Guess who's back? Back again. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
What's going on, YouTube family and friends, and what's going on to all you Palantir shareholders out there? In today's video, we're going to discuss the huge news we expect to hear this upcoming week. Also, we're going to talk about the open interest and the effect that it can actually have on the share price this week, as well, and the likelihood of a gamma. With that being said, we're about to dive right in, but before we do so, if you do want to know a hot IPO that can double your money this week, well, make sure you get over to my second YouTube channel, which is called Grandmaster-obi. We're currently on the road to 15,000 subscribers, so guys, when you do subscribe, please take the time and make sure that notification bell is set to all, so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And that video is titled Hot IPO Stock Set to Double This Week, thanks to Iran, Israel, and Trump. I think you guys may find this one very, very interesting. I will have this video posted at the end of this one. Right when they thought Palantir was overvalued. So if you're currently holding the stock, you may want to hold just a little bit longer. As you all know, ISIS looking to ramp up their blockchain surveillance is only going to land Palantir yet another government contract due to the fact that they are the front runner when it comes to blockchain surveillance. Like I told you guys before Trump got in office, right, that Palantir is going to be on the front lines of the borders and basically ISIS right-hand man, and it seems as though that is taking place. Not only that, with Palantir recently landing its biggest government contract in company's history, well, that's going to reflect on this upcoming earnings report, which gives you more reason to hold for the long term. But far as short term goes, with the upcoming announcement of a reconstruction deal being done between ICE and Palantir, that can actually be the fuel to the fire for a gamma squeeze this upcoming week. Let me explain. If we take a brief look and check out the options chain here really quickly, as you guys can see here, we do see heavy, extremely heavy open interest here at that $140 strike. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, we do see a heavy open interest as well at the $150 strike. I do feel as though if we do hear that reconstruction, that alone can push the stock 10% on one given day, backed by this open interest trail that we see here today. We may actually see Palantir challenge those $150 levels here this week. Not only that, this defense in aerospace sector as a whole, you may want to keep your eyes out on. But far as Palantir go, ladies and gentlemen, this upcoming week, things are looking very, very good. As you all know, the government doesn't wait around long to initiate any type of deals or partnerships. So with that being said, we expect to hear that announcement any day now. Also, with Iran and Israel conflict going on, is only going to continue to pit buyers in the defense and aerospace sector, with Palantir being in that as well. Also, Palantir is a DeepSeek beneficiary, ladies and gentlemen. So anytime that DeepSeek come out with any type of news that tend to actually tank the American AI sector, Palantir is going to be one of those companies that benefit. Seems as though that this thing is built bulletproof. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen. Will Palantir actually break above $145 by the end of the week, or will it bust below? And the reason why I'm asking you guys this, because I alerted PLTR calls for the strike price of $145, with that EXP date being 6/20 next week. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you believe that contract will expire in the money or worthless? So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.